Hello everyone. We are here to discuss about water cycle and its processes. The water cycle is a way that water moves all around the earth. It never stops. It does not have a beginning or an end. It's like a big circle. Did you know that water cycle is also known as the hydrologic cycle? And Earth has been recycling water for over 4 billion years. The water moves from one reservoir to another, such as from river to ocean, or from the ocean to the atmosphere, by the physical processes of evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and surface runoff. Evaporation. During part of the water cycle, the sun heats up liquid water and changes it to a gas by the process of evaporation. Water that evaporates from Earth's oceans, lakes, rivers, and moist soil rises up into the atmosphere. Transpiration. The process of evaporation from plants is called transpiration. In other words, it's like plants sweating. Evapotranspiration. Water goes from the land to the atmosphere by evaporation from the soil and other surfaces, and by transpiration from plants. Condensation. As water, in the form of gas, rises higher in the atmosphere, it starts to cool and become a liquid again. This process is called condensation. When a large amount of water vapors condenses, it results in the formation of clouds. Precipitation. When the water in the clouds gets too heavy, the water falls back to the earth. This is called precipitation. Water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. It is the primary connection in the water cycle that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water to the earth. Most precipitation falls as rain. Infiltration. Infiltration is the process where precipitation or water soaks into soil and moves into rocks through cracks and pore spaces. Most rainwater and snow end up infiltrated into the ground. And lastly, the surface runoff. When rain falls on the ground, some of the water is absorbed into the ground, forming pockets of water called groundwater. Most groundwater eventually returns to the ocean. Other precipitation runs directly into streams or rivers. Water that collects in rivers, streams, and oceans is called runoff. Why are water cycle processes important? The water cycle is an extremely important process because it enables the availability of water for all living organisms and regulates weather patterns on our planet. If water didn't naturally recycle itself, we would run out of clean water, which is essential to life.